again, my gluten-free frenzies, and welcome back to the PmP Kitchen. Today, we are taking it to China, well, Chinese American, with an egg roll, but this is an egg roll in a bowl. How interesting. Here is your guide for reference as usual. Once again, you don't need to follow it to a T. It's just an idea to give you of what you may or may not be using and what you may or may not be doing. It does look a little extensive, but believe me, it's a very easy recipe and you will be so happy you made it. All right, here's your ingredients. You need a bag of coleslaw, ground pork, 2 red bell peppers, sesame oil, rice vinegar, gluten-free soy sauce, sriracha sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and salt and pepper to taste. Oops, I forgot the onion. Also, your onion of choice. The recipe asks for red onion. I don't like red, but you can choose as you like. All right, let's take those 2 red bell peppers and chop those suckers up. Next, your onion of choice. I do not like red onions, so I choose a yellow onion for this recipe. And we are going to chop that onion up as well. You're going to use 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of minced ginger, and a pound of ground pork. Make sure it's pork, not sausage. They look similar, so please read the label. You will use 3 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce, and a bag of coleslaw mix. I choose this because it has the carrots already shredded up in it. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get going. Heat up that oil in a large skillet on medium-high heat and add your chopped onion. Let's cook that for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your ginger and minced garlic and cook that for 1 minute. Now we're going to add your ground pork and break it apart. It can be tough, so be patient. Let's add your sriracha sauce to the ground pork and mix it together well. We're going to cook the pork until it's cooked through, about 7 to 10 minutes. Let's add that coleslaw mix, red bell pepper, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. I just sprinkle the salt and pepper on top, and I use more pepper than salt. Let's mix that together extremely well and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it is all combined and cooked down, the cabbage will be wilted and you will have created, look at that, your egg roll in a bowl. Everything you want, but without the gluten. Couldn't ask for better. You can serve this with your favorite sauce, like soy sauce if it's gluten-free, or sweet and sour, or enjoy it on its own. Be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for joining me again in our PmP Kitchen. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and follow both channel links below to consistently receive these awesome gluten-free recipes. See you next time.